as the summer heat begins to taper off. August presents a fantastic opportunity to extend your garden's productivity and enjoy a late summer bounty of fresh, homegrown vegetables. Planting certain crops during this time can yield a delicious harvest well into the fall and even early winter in some regions. We'll explore the best vegetables to plant in August, ensuring your garden stays vibrant and abundant as the seasons transition. 1. Leafy greens. August is an excellent time to sow seeds of leafy greens such as lettuce, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These cool season crops thrive in the cooler temperatures of late summer and fall. 2. Radishes. Quick growing and easy to cultivate, radishes are a great choice for August planting. They mature rapidly and can be harvested in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. The peppery crunch of fresh radishes adds a delightful zing to salads and other culinary creations. 3. Carrots. For sweet and crunchy carrots, sow seeds in August to ensure they have time to develop before the first frost. Choose varieties with shorter maturity dates to ensure a successful harvest before colder temperatures set in. 4. Beets. Beets are another versatile vegetable that can thrive when planted in August. Both the roots and the leafy greens are edible, providing a double harvest. Beets add a splash of vibrant color and earthy flavors to your dishes. 5. Broccoli and cauliflower. Start broccoli and cauliflower seeds indoors in August and transplant them outdoors a few weeks later when the weather is cooler. These nutrient-packed vegetables are perfect for fall harvests and taste even better after exposure to light frost. 6. Peas. Certain pea varieties, like sugar snap peas and snow peas, can be planted in August for a delicious autumn harvest. These climbing plants add vertical interest to your garden and make for a delightful and healthy snack. 7. Green beans. Bush beans and pole beans can be sown in August for a late summer and early fall harvest. Their crisp texture and vibrant green color make them a delightful addition to a variety of dishes. 8. Herbs. August is an ideal time to establish a herb garden. Plant perennial herbs like rosemary, thyme, oregano, and chives, which will continue to thrive year after year with proper care. Tips for success: ensure your garden beds are well prepared with fertile, well-draining soil to encourage strong growth. Water consistently and deeply to keep the soil moist for seed germination and plant establishment. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the plants to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Be vigilant for pests and diseases, and take appropriate measures to protect your plants. Keep an eye on the weather and provide frost protection if needed as temperatures begin to drop. Embrace the late summer bounty by planting these vegetables in August, and you'll be rewarded with a delightful array of fresh, homegrown produce to enjoy throughout the fall season and beyond. Happy gardening!